In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Udemy account. If you've found yourself locked out or simply can't remember the details needed to log in, don't worry. We'll walk through the entire account recovery process in just a few minutes. So grab your device and let's get started on bringing back access to your learning platform. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you feel most comfortable using. Once you've got your browser up and running, make your way to the search bar. Here, you'll want to type in Udemy Account Recovery. What this does is direct you to the resources and links specifically tailored to help you regain access to your account. Now, you should see a list of results populate your screen. Typically, the first result will be the official Udemy support page or something quite relevant to account recovery. What you want to do is click on that first result. By doing this, you're navigating to the page specifically designed to assist with account recovery issues. Once you've landed on the relevant page, you will usually see a form or an option prompting you to enter your details. This is where you need to type in your username or the email address linked to your Udemy account. It's crucial here that you enter these details accurately to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Then, go ahead and click Submit. This step initiates the process of retrieving your account credentials, so make sure everything is double-checked before you proceed. After you've clicked Submit, it's time to switch over to your email inbox. Check your updates, including any spam or promotion folders, just in case the email gets filtered away from your primary inbox. You should find an email from Udemy shortly after you submit your information. This email will either provide you with a link to set up a new password or request additional information to help verify your identity. The instructions are generally straightforward. Simply follow the prompts they provide. Ensure that when you create your new password, it's both strong and memorable. A good combination of numbers, symbols, upper and lowercase letters is often recommended to keep your account secure. And there you have it. You've successfully taken the steps to recover your Udemy account. If you followed along and everything went smoothly, you should now have regained access to your courses and content. Stay patient throughout the process, as emails may take a bit of time to arrive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you back on track with your online learning journey.